Hey guys, welcome to the first episode of the tutorial. We're going to keep this one short as I have done a video on this previously. If you haven't watched that, don't worry, I will try to explain things as I go along. But we're making it into true first person. As you can see, it's the third person template, but we're actually making it true first person just so we're actually able to see the character body. So what you want to do is you want to go into content, third person, blueprints, and BP underscore third person character. Now, what we'll do is we're now going to make this so we can see in first person. So it's quite simple actually. What we're going to do is we're going to delete the camera boom. We don't actually need that. And we're just going to connect the follow camera to the mesh. So it'll look a bit like this in the hierarchy. It'll be BP, third person character self, capsule component, arrow component, mesh, and then in mesh component will be the follow camera. Now, all you want to do is you want to make sure that use pawn control rotation is ticked. Actually, no. What you want to first do is you want to set the parent socket to head, because this will adjust how all this is here. Then just reset the values just like that. And then what you can do is you can just rotate just like so, and then rotate just like so, just so you have this normal looking head. It's a bit different, I believe, to my actual previous video, but they still work the same. And then make sure on follow camera, go to use pawn control rotation, make sure that is ticked, go to character movement, and then you type in go into BP underscore third person character self and type in and then go use controller rotation and that's all you really need to do for true first person, guys. So we go in and we still have true first person. There you go. That's how you set up that. Now I do want to make some changes. So we'll go into character movement. So this one down here, this very bottom one. I do apologize if I'm going a bit fast. The other episodes shouldn't be as fast. It's just I have done this before. If you haven't seen it, that is okay. You can just follow along and just come back to this video if you ever need. But go to character movement and just type in max walk speed. Now it'll come up with two settings. We're not going to have a crouch, so we don't need to worry about it. And then max walk speed will go 300, and then just compile and save. If it says 3.0, don't worry about it. It'll be fine. That's in the meters per second. It will convert into centimeters when you compile. Now we have the max walk speed set, and we have the camera set. So now what's left? So in this game, what we're actually going to do is we're not going to have a jump feature. So if you go into the event graph, where all the code is going to be written, you want to go down to this jump input. It'll be the very bottom of the 4, and then just delete that. The reason we're deleting that is because we're not going to actually need the feature for jumping. We can always add it back later, but for now I haven't got it planned where we will need that. But guys, that is how you set up the character. So if we go into play, we've got first person, we're walking quite slow, and if we try and jump, it does not work. So if you guys did enjoy this video and you are excited for the next video on this series, then make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment below if you want a certain thing added. If it's not in my list of what I am going to add, then I will definitely try to squeeze it in somewhere. But guys, if you want to check out my other series on where you design the mechanics and I make it fully, then you know we are teaming up as designers and developers together, and we're going to make a massive game. So guys, if you want to check that out, go check that out on my channel. And if you guys want to support me any extra, then make sure to check out my Patreon in the link in the description, where you will be able to find the project files for this game. But guys, that is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.